Welcome to Vertical Fields Farm. This modified 40-feet shipping container is located outside of a major supermarket chain and has been repurposed into the home of the new vertical farming revolution. My name is Guy Litzer and I'm the CEO of Vertical Field. At Vertical Field, we're reshaping the way food is produced because we believe that everyone deserves access to local, fresh and nutritious produce.
Vertical Field's container farm provides a consistent and reliable supply of fresh, healthy, and local produce year-round. Planted geoponically on beds of real soil, our produce grows to maturity in just 21 days, and without the use of chemical pesticides. Our vertical farm is portable and can be placed right on site, just a few steps away from the grocery store shelf.
This farm that I'm standing in front of right now is adjacent to one of Israel's largest supermarket chains. Let me take you now on a tour to our vertical farm.
Using this on-site farming method, we reinvent the supply chain and ensure that consumers access produce that was harvested that very same day, without any processing or transportation. This glass window at the front of each farm brings the Vertical Field story to life, allowing consumers to see for themselves how and where their food grows before reaching their plate. As you see here, the farm is branded on all four sides and can also be branded on the top of the container.
At the back of the farm, there's also a service door for our farm operator to enter for planting, harvesting, and general maintenance. Join me as we go inside the farm, but first, we'll gear up. Our proprietary vertical growing platforms are constructed onto the internal walls of the farm.
Each portable plug-and-play platform contains capsules where the crops are placed. These capsules can be easily extracted and inserted for planting and harvesting cycles, similar to an espresso machine. You can see here just how easy it is. This growing platform enables a diverse and highly customizable product mix of leafy greens, whole head lettuce, and herbs that can be adjusted according to consumer preference by region or store. Growing crops inside of soil enables them to grow naturally and uniformly. As they grow, plants absorb the minerals and moisture that they need whenever needed and at the precise quantity they require, just like in nature. The soil also acts as a buffer for human operational errors.
Let's move on to the infrastructural components.
Irrigation pipes along the farm provide controlled and automated drip irrigation and fertilization to each capsule based on the specific needs of each plant. Our efficient irrigation techniques result in a 90% reduction in water use as compared to traditional field-grown agriculture. Our advanced LED light panels provide plants with the precise light intensity and wavelengths that they need to grow properly and efficiently. By adjusting these conditions and the quantity of light, we can maximize both yield and quality to deliver the best outputs for each plant. The indoor microclimate is also controlled remotely and is adjusted to supply optimized climate conditions such as temperature, humidity, CO2, air circulation, and more, ensuring that plants thrive all year long.
Let's continue to the technical control panel.
Here we have the electrical closet that centralizes all electric outlets and sockets for internal and external electrical uses, which connect directly to the store's standard utility connections. Next to it, we have the monitoring unit that centralizes controls, sensor data, and internet infrastructure. The last resource panel located here is the central irrigation system, where all irrigation hookups are located. All of these features combined ensure that plants receive the precise conditions for optimum growth and quality in the most efficient way possible. These features can be controlled with our advanced IoT system, which allows operators to monitor and adjust the farm's internal settings remotely.
And what about the produce, you ask? Once ready to harvest, the farmer takes out the capsule and packages the produce along with the soil, exactly as I'm doing right now. Now that we've seen the produce grows into the farm, let's add into the supermarket. Follow me to see how fast the produce moves from the farm to the shelf, from harvest to consumer, in just a few steps.
Vertical Field offers a farming as a service model. That means that our experts take care of the installation, planting, maintenance, and harvest, and provide the client with a daily harvest of fresh, high quality, and local produce. There are several possible display options that retailers can choose from to convey the product's competitive advantage within the retailer's spatial limitations.
In this design display, you will find the produce inside the refrigerator next to similar brands.
Vertical Field's produce is packaged along with its roots still firmly planted inside of the soil. By selling produce this way, the consumer receives a living crop that is still flourishing and still circulating the resources and nutrients, giving it a longer shelf life. The beauty in this method is that the consumer gets to harvest their crop from the soil in his or her own kitchen right before cooking it for ultimate freshness and nutrient density. Vertical Field's on-site farm guarantees a customizable product mix, reliable product supply year-round, reduced transportation costs, minimal food losses, and much more. We are excited to launch our newest developments in the near future, including unique units for strawberries and mushrooms.
By integrating nature bounty, along with strategic agronomic design and state-of-the-art technology, we offer a unique, hyper-local product that is harvested daily.